Dear student, today I will solve the numericals from the Chassis formula. Okay, already you studied the Chassis formula. The velocity is equal to, already studied velocity is equal to, the Chassis formula from velocity is equal to C into root over mi. Already studied, right? And discharge Q is equal to area into C into root mi. Okay, the first numericals, just listen the questions. Find the velocity of flow and rate of flow of water through a rectangular channel of 6 meter wide and 3 meter deep. When it is running full, the channel having bed slope as 1 in 2000, take Chassis constant C is equal to 55. Okay, see here the given data. The first step is the given data. What are the data they give? Find the velocity of flow and rate of flow of water through a rectangular channel of 6 meter wide. Wide means width of the channel is 6 meter. Okay, the width of the channel is 6 meter through a rectangular channel of 6 meter wide means the width of the channel is 6 meter and 3 meter deep, and deep D is equal to 3 meter. Okay, deep is 3 meter. When it is running full, just check the cross section of the rectangular channel, just check it. Okay, here the width of the channel is 6 meter and the depth of the flow is 3 meter. See here already they gave condition. When it is running full means the flow is up to the top of the channel means 3 meter. Actually it is not possible in practically, okay, because the flow have to maintain some freeboard means you have to maintain some depth, some deep from the top channel. But here the condition is when it is running full means the depth of the flow, we need the depth of the flow, right? Depth of the flow itself is the depth of the channel. So the width of the channel is C, B is equal to 6 meter and depth of the channel D is equal to 3 meter. Any other data? Okay, the channel having a bed slope I is equal to 1 in 2000 means 1 in 2000, 1 is vertical and 2000 is horizontal. So slope is equal to 1 by 2000. Okay, and next what are the any other data? And Chassis constant C is equal to 55. Okay, so here the width of the channel is 6 meter and depth of the channel is 3 meter and slope 1 in 2000, 1 vertical and 2000 horizontal. So the slope is equal to vertical by horizontal 1 by 2000 and Chassis constant C is equal to 55. Okay, and we have to find out the velocity of flow. We have to find out the velocity of flow. Okay, and rate of flow. We have to find out the rate of flow through a rectangular channel. Okay, so here this is the cross section of the rectangular channel. Okay, next solution. Okay, see here we know the formula from Chassis formula. From Chassis formula, V is equal to C into root of mi, right? V is equal to C into root of mi. Here we don't know the m. I have to find out the m, hydraulic mean radius. The m is the hydraulic mean radius. M is equal to A by P. A is a wetted area and P is wetted perimeter. Okay, is wetted area and wetted perimeter. So what is the A? How to find out A? You already know the rectangular channel 3 meter deep and width is 6 meter. So A is equal to B into D is equal to 6 into 3 is equal to 18 meter square. Okay, next we have to find out the wetted perimeter. P is equal to how much? P, how to find out? P, the wetted perimeter. This is the C here. This is the water surface. Okay, this is the wetted perimeter from here to here to here, right? This is the wetted perimeter. So this is the 3. 6 plus 3 means width plus 2 depth. 2 times of the depth, right? So it will be 6 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12 meter, right? So M is equal to A by P is equal to 18 divided by 12 is equal to 1.5 meter. The unit of the hydraulic mean radius or hydraulic depth is equal to is a meter, right? So you got the value of m. Okay, you know the value of c, chassis constant, you know, and I. What is I? I is equal to 1 by 2000. Okay, already you know the values of I. I is equal to 1 by 2000. So apply to the formula. Apply to this formula. Velocity is equal to c into root over mi. Okay, what is the value of chassis constant? 55 into m. What is the m? M is 1.5 divided by 1 divided by 2000 is the I. Okay, so you got the value of velocity is equal to, just check it in calculator. Okay, you got the value. The v is equal to 1.506 meter per second. Okay, next discharge q. How to find out q? Q is equal to area of a into velocity, right? Area into velocity. Velocity is c into root over mi. Yes, you know the value of area. What is the value of area? Yes, area is equal to 18, okay, into 1.506 is the velocity. Okay, already you know, right? Velocity is already you know the value is equal to 18 into 1.5. It will be 27.08 meter cube per second. Just check the questions. Okay, you have to find the velocity of flow and rate of flow of water through a rectangular channel of a 6 meter wide and 3 meter deep. Okay, so you got the discharge q and velocity. So from chassis formula, v is equal to c into root over mi. Okay, already you know the value of chassis constant. I also know m. You have to find out m is the hydraulic mean radius or hydraulic depth. Okay, is a wetted area divided by wetted perimeter. Okay, area you know b into d. Okay, wetted perimeter is a width into width plus twice the depth. Okay, b plus 2d. Okay, you got the hydraulic mean radius 1.5 and apply to the formula. Velocity you know. Okay, you can find out the velocity. Okay, next discharge is equal to velocity into area. Area you already know, it is 18 meter square. So you got the final answer. Velocity is 1.506 and discharge is equal to 27.08 meter cube per second. Okay. Okay, next question. Find the slope. Read the question. Find the slope of the bed of a rectangular channel of width 5 meter. Okay, when depth of water is 2 meter and rate of flow is given as 20 meter cube per second. Take chassis constant c is equal to 50. Okay, here we have to find the slope of the bed. Okay, here we have to find out the slope of the bed. The given data. What are the data they gave? Given data. Okay, see here, rectangular channel of width 5 meter, b is equal to 5 meter and depth of water is 2 meter. Depth here itself they mentioned depth of water. Okay, depth of water is 2 meter. Okay, in the previous question they mentioned depth of the channel and gave condition it is full running. Okay, it is running full, so itself is a depth of the channel will same as a depth of the flow. But here itself mentioned depth of water is 2 meter. D is equal to 2 meter. So just take the figure. Okay, cross sectional area. The width of the channel is 5 meter and depth of flow is 2 meter. Okay, you got. Okay, here the width is 5 meter and depth is 2 meter and the rate of flow is given as 20 meter cube per second. Here the discharge they gave 20 meter cube per second. Okay, already they gave discharge is equal to 20 meters cube per second. Take chassis constant c is equal to 50. Okay, what is the chassis constant? C is equal to 50. Okay, here the same thing we have to apply the chassis formula and you have to find out the bed slope. Bed slope you have to find out, right? You have to find out the bed slope. Okay, next go for the solution. Okay, solution. Okay, already we know that discharge q is equal to a into c into root over mi, right? So what is a a is equal to, in rectangular section this is the 5 meter and deep is 2 meter, right? Okay, so area is equal to b into d is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10 meters square. Okay, next m. What is the value of m? We don't know, right? We have to find out the m by applying the expression a by p. A is the vectored area, right? Okay, this is the vectored area. Okay, area is equal to, find 2, already you know. Next you have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter means vectored perimeter. How to find out the vectored perimeter? We know width plus twice depth. Okay, 2 into d. Okay, b plus 2 into d. B is 5 here, plus 2 into 2, right? Depth is equal to 9. Okay, so m is equal to area by perimeter. Area is 10 and vectored perimeter is equal to 9. Okay, so you got the hydraulic mean depth is equal to 10 by 9. Okay, substitute in equation. Okay, substitute in equation. Q is equal to AC into root over mi. Okay, already you know the discharge. What is the discharge? Discharge is equal to 20. Okay, discharge 20 meter cube per second. And what is the area, cross sectional area or vectored area, is equal to 10. Okay, into c already you know. What is the chassis constant? Chassis constant is 50. Okay, is 50 into root over mi. M, what is the m? M is 10 by 9. Okay, into I. Okay, here only unknown data is I. Okay, you have to find out the slope of the channel. Okay, see here root over here, so apply the square on both side. Okay, 20 by 10 into 50, okay, square is equal to 10 by 9 into I. Is it right? Okay, just check it. 20 divided by 10 into 50 square is equal to 10 by 9, because the root over square. Okay, 10 by 9 into I. Okay, so you got, now you got to just find the value of I. Okay, so I is here. I is equal to, you got the value of I is equal to 0.00144. Got the value of I is equal to 0.00144. Okay, I is the slope. You know how to find out the I. You already know it is I is itself is a sine I, right? I is itself is a sine I is equal to y by x, means vertical divided by horizontal. Already you know, you have to mention 1 in. Okay, 1 in, 1 vertical and n horizontal. Okay, n horizontal. So you have to find out the value of n. How to? Just reciprocate the value. Okay, 1 by n is equal to 1 by 0.0144. Okay, 0.00144. You got the value is 694.44. Okay, you got the value of a horizontal is a 694.44. Okay, for a 1 vertical 694.44 horizontal. So you can write it as a 1 in 694. Okay, you got the value of I is equal to 1 in 694. Okay.